Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about washing out radiators. So you can see behind me there's a Fendt tractor on the pad. The guys are getting ready to wash it. One thing, if you're running into issues that you have a plugged rad and you want to wash it out, you should probably have some time for it to dry properly. So best practice is blow it out with air so you get as much dust out as possible. Then wash it with a pressure washer. If at all possible, don't use any soap in there because a lot of soap has sticky residue and then it just makes stuff stick into the fins of the radiator. So blow it out, wash it out with hot water. Once it's washed out, fire your tractor up, let it run, let it get warm, and let it dry that radiator out. So if you can let it run for a half an hour or 45 minutes so that the engine gets warm and it dries that radiator out, it will help you a lot, because if you just wash it and go to the field, you're just going to stick dust into it a lot faster. If you have a line blowout and you get oil into it, then what's going to happen is you're probably going to have to use some soap. You just may have to rinse it out multiple times to get rid of that residue. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.